Another day, another app naman yung na-discover natin. So, ito si Catmatch. So, ito nakikita ko lang dito na may nag-refer sa akin na legit daw ito at nakapag-withdraw na daw siya dito. Which is, itatry natin. So, na-download ko na tong application na to. Ayan, click natin tong download. So, as you can see, meron siyang 4.5 ratings and reviews. Meron siyang 100k downloads. And i-check natin what's new of this application. So, na-release siya ng August 14, 2026. Updated siya ng August 19, 2026. So, bago lang to siya, which is this month lang siya na-release itong application na to. Ayan. So, yung developer nito is Softoverse. Ayan. So, before we start, so, i-check muna natin dito. Ito yung, ayan, cover nila dito. So, since nandito ako sa Egypt, hindi ko sure kasi kung available ba to dito, but na-download ko na siya. So, para lang din pala to siyang Candy Crush laruin. So, magbasa muna tayo ng reviews dito. So, it's a nice game and good graphics. I hope I can withdraw the money when I complete the rules of these games. So, fun and play daw yung games na to. So, meron dito, I love this game. I got my withdrawal within few hours. Ayan, recommended daw niya sa students. So, yun, let's see and let's try this application. Meron naman siyang good feedback. So, click nung play. So, start. So, ayan, click natin bago tayo mag-start dito sa application na to, si Catmatch. So, wait na lang natin at naglo-loading pa. So, ayan, pwede tayo mag-register dito via Google natin. And click lang natin tong agree and share and that's it. So, wait na loading. Makapag-proceed. So, login tayo dito. So, kailangan natin manood ng ads para tayo ay ad reconcile. To pay the bills natin, you get a new mail. So, ayan, meron siya ditong nakalagay. So, yung email dito, hello. Dear peers, a few days ago, there was an issue with the bank payment channel which caused some withdrawals to be delayed. So, ayan, basahin lang natin. And, nabasa. Ito yung withdraw. Ayan, cost 1. So, ayan siya. Nag-try ako dito mag-register. So, since ako sa Egypt, so ito yung about ko. So, nagtako dito ng account pero hindi niya ako pina-withdraw at hindi daw allowed. So, hindi ko sure kung legit ba tong application na to. But then again, yung mga nakikita ko na nasa Pilipinas, nakapag-withdraw naman sila dito sa apps na to. So, ayan, complete daily task na tayo. Yung withdrawal ko lang talaga yung hindi ako makapag-withdraw dito. So, hindi ako maglalagay ng link sa description kasi hindi ako nakapag-withdraw dito sa apps na to. But anyway, ang dami kong nakikita sa Facebook na nag-upload nito na nakapag-withdraw daw sila sa apps na to. Siguro it depends sa location at depends sa country kung asaan kang country nakastay as of now.